We're on the home stretch. Before we can set up the skin in the material editor, we need to lock down what size the output is going to be. I found about 100 pixels per inch seems to work all right. So we modeled the box face at 8 inches by 4 inches, so about 800 by 400 pixels should be about right for the output size. Let's lock that down right now by going to the render menu and picking render setup. On the common tab, we've got output size here. There's output width, set that to 800, and output height, that's 400. If we grab the slider and drag down to get to the render output settings, we first need to click on the Files button and then enter the name for the JPEG file we're going to create. I like EXT for extruded, and this is the 2-line version, and it's the welcome text. And JPEG from the drop-down should be perfect. The default output location for our JPEG is going to be the render output subdirectory under the current project. So as long as we know where to find it, that should be fine. Okay, we hit save, and up comes the JPEG quality dialog. Since this is an intermediate file between 3ds Max and Photoshop, we want to make sure we've got this turned up to best image quality. And OK to the JPEG settings. Let's set this viewport drop down to our camera, and then click the button to lock that viewport as the renderer's source window. A quick double check back at the top to make sure we're requesting just a single image. And then let's render one. Alright, the end's in sight.